Okay. Plugging away, plugging away. We are looking at lesson 14. This is a 13-14 video, even though I'm only showing you stuff from 14. But 13, when you get to class, it's all going to make sense because it deals with this stuff. So we're going to be filling in the remainder of this big rectangle of equivalent expressions. So as you can see, this is literally 15 divided by 3. So if we were to put that in words, it's literally 15 divided by 3. No tricks. And if we use the division box, now remember the first thing listed goes inside. So what goes in must come out. So the outside's a 3. And then if we use the fraction bar, it would be 15. This little bar, remember, means division. 15 divided by 3. That was pretty easy. So those are the 4 things. But they're not all that easy. So if we look at this one, I just plopped this in. This might be on another page. Michael Klee used this with his little kids in Chicago. So I said, well, you know what? This is a pretty good one to do. So see how I have a y plus 13 divided by 2? As weird as that looks in a division box, we very rarely ever see this in a division box. But this is very important because we have to keep this quantity together, okay? So when we're wording it, we have to put the quantity of y and 13 divided by 2. The quantity is the fancy word that means a set of parentheses. So when you see the word quantity, it's usually an indication that what goes with that is going to be in parentheses. So remember that. That's a very important thing. All right. So when we're writing it as like with the division sign, we would have the quantity of y and 13 being divided by 2. If we didn't have parentheses around that, orders of operation would make us do 13 divided by 2 and add y, and that's not what we want to do. So those parentheses, the quantity, is important because the quantity makes us put it together. So even when we're writing it like this, that divided by 2, you still want to have the parentheses there because if not, when we look at this as a whole sentence, see y plus 13 divided by 2, it would make us do this first, and we don't want that. So that is why we need the parentheses around it. So this is just other ways of showing how to write an expression. And these are all equivalent to the first one that they gave you. So that is a very short lesson. I hope this made sense. We'll do a lot more of these in class. And as always, I love math. And I cook. And I'm really starting to like tea, as in hot tea.